Following the horrific terrorist attack in Goulders Green, which has been the latest in a series of attacks on our Jewish community, Jewish Londoners understandably want to see more action, not just words. So I want to set out the action we're taking. The Met has surged the policing presence in northwest London, which will continue over the coming weeks. And the government has announced an additional £25 million to boost police patrols in Jewish communities. I welcome this announcement, and I'll be continuing discussions with the government about the additional funding I believe is required to deliver the long-term step change in policing that Jewish Londoners expect and deserve. Getting the police response right is critical, but that alone won't be enough.
Antisemitism is a certain view of Jews which...
We need to confront the growing tide of anti-Semitism. This requires us to be tough and uncompromising with anti-Semites, but also to tackle the root of the problem. That's why I'll continue to work with and fund initiatives from City Hall that are running programs to prevent radicalisation, combat anti-Semitism and promote community cohesion.
So we're in the Haverstock Secondary School in North London today, and we've been delivering here a workshop on anti-Semitism for Year 10 students. The Mayor of London's office, via its Shared Endeavour Fund, helps support the Anne Frank Trust to deliver these kind of programmes, these workshops on anti-Semitism across many boroughs across London.
I won't rest until Jewish communities feel safe in our city once again. I urge all Londoners to join this vital fight.